Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, the battle for this Amotekun outfit that the Yorubas want to set up, it rages on, and here is the latest development. Amotekun will not stand. Buhari government replies Tinubu Falana Southwest governors. So that's this latest headline. Amotekun will not stand. Buhari government replies Tinubu Falana and the Southwest governors. So now let's now see what the Fulani government of Nigeria has to say to the Yoruba people. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, said the U-turn made by the legal icon Mr. Femi Falana justified federal government's stance that the establishment of the operation of Amotekun was illegal. A statement issued on Thursday by Dr. Umar Gwandu, Malami's special advisor on media and public relations, reiterated that Nigeria's constitution does not accommodate the formation of regional security architecture. Falana, human rights lawyer who had earlier asked the governors to ignore Malami, had asked the Southwest governors to enact laws on Amotekun. The statement reads, by asking state governors of the southwest of Nigeria to proceed to enact the necessary laws in justifying the legality of the establishment and operation of Amotekun, Falana is reaffirming federal government stance that the establishment of the operation currently is illegal. No amount of effort to hide the truth will work. People can be carried away by sentimental or emotional inclinations, but the truth remains apparently palpable. The bottom line is that the current Nigerian constitution does not accommodate formation of regional security architecture. This is a fact which is undisputable and undeniable. Falana is prevaricating and circumlocuting using evasive techniques when he was asked by the media to justify the presence of lacuna within the law which can establish or protect the concept of regionalism in any operation in the country. He was unable to supply answer to the question and failed to cite relevant laws that back the argument. It is interesting that no matter the situation, truth prevails. This arrangement called Amotekun is not backed by any law, neither at the state nor the federal level. Amotekun therefore remains unconstitutional and illegal as already indicated. The federal government appreciates that the legal-minded Nigerians have started to eschew emotions by offering legal comments on the matter as against being carried away by other inclinations. The Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice is committed to the rule of law and a constitutional Democratic Federal Republic of Nigeria. The response came 24 hours after national leader of the All Progressive Congress APC Bola Tinubu said Amotekun was not a threat to national security. Amotekun, an initiative of the Southwest governors, was first declared illegal last Tuesday. So now, ladies and gentlemen, that's the latest development within the Amotekun circles. The Malam Buhari regime are doubling down on this thing, saying that it is illegal both at state and federal level. But of course, all the Southwest governors need to do is to enact laws within their own state of jurisdiction, giving this thing legal backing, and then it just goes through. Because really, the need is there, so it's just really the administrative process of enacting the relevant laws within their local state assemblies to give this thing a legal footing, and then they can then merge those laws together like some sort of cooperative laws that enables them to work in tandem within their region, and then this gives birth then to this thing. I think Falana has also recommended this to them, and this is just a matter of routine. This is something they can do within a week, even a day even. They just call the assembly, carry the motion, and it becomes law. So this is just something that they need to do. But certainly this Amotekun thing must follow through, because this now Fulani people marauding throughout Yoruba land is something that must now stop. Conversations in the comment section. Malami is doubling down on his position that Amotekun is illegal. But then of course we have Femi Falana to do battle with him. come tell me what your thoughts are on all these developments in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come talk legalese with me with regards to Amotekun in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.